Welcome back to another vlog cleaning with me after a slight intermission from a nap from the last week. I knew this was going to be a much longer video process than normal because I am a very sleepy person, especially around this time of year. It definitely got me down. Quick recap on the cleaning of the living room and from part of the video before, and how I have been cleaning it and what I've been putting in different places and how much dirtier it has gotten since the before video was taken. Like I said in my last video, I am not the cleanest person, but I do like to pick up and clean on my days off from work. So that's what I'm up to today. Just picking up and cleaning. I think this was the middle of the week that I had off that I'm cleaning. It is much easier for me to clean when I'm home also by myself, so I don't have too many other distractions other than the cats and other than myself distracting myself doing all of these different projects. I'm really glad that I got all of the rooms cleaned at least once over this week in preparing me for the next couple of weeks and all of the holiday season. Thank goodness I did not decorate very much, so it wasn't very much Halloween decor to take down this year. It'll just be a little bit of fall stuff left. Look at my cat Phoebe. She's just walking around staring at me, enjoying her time while I'm cleaning. With your life. up my sewing area here in the dining room is a little bit messier than what was in the beginning video, but I picked up a little bit more of it before I finished cleaning up all of this area. Just a lot of paperwork after doing bills and some embroidery floss that I have been doing some crafts with. These are some of my favorite candles. They're from LMT Design Plus. She does interior design, but I got her from a little boutique in the downtown Freeport area where I live, and it just smells so delightful. I love her candles. I burn them all the time here in my house whenever I get my hands on a jar. So that's what I'm bringing today in order to help keep my house smelling warm and cozy. This is the Grandma Kitchen edition. And this is how the dining room turned out after cleaning off the table, leaving the important paperwork on the table. I didn't clean up my other sewing area, but I think it looks great. And now that the sun is coming out, the disco ball that I have on my table just makes the walls and the ceiling look so pretty. Which is directly through this hallway. Need to clean this entire area, sweep and close that door again, because in there's where we keep our garbage. Here's where we feed our cats. Need to pick up that table again so that table can have a surface. Those are tomato plants growing right there that I brought in, and that's another sort of plant. The coffee bar is okay. Just needs to have coffee scraped off of it and up there readjusted. Ah, wonderful dishes. One of the things I was not prepared for ever since becoming an adult or an older person is how many freaking dishes I would be doing throughout my lifetime. I always thought I'd be hanging out with friends. I always thought I would be partying, doing much more glamorous things, but I feel like a majority of the time I am the dishwasher, so I'm just doing dishes. Hashtag humble home things. But one of my favorite things about our kitchen is the black countertop that we have. We didn't have to paint it. The house had the black countertop in it when we moved into it. Thank goodness. I love the black going with all of the green that we have decorated in the house. But thank goodness also I didn't let the dishes take me too terribly long to do, because I didn't let them build on me like I normally do. Just giving the counter the rest of a wipe down after the dishes before I take the compost outside. My coffee is done in the microwave and I'm finally done with the dishes. And here is what the countertop looks like with all the dishes off of it, and cute just like at your grandma's house with the little dish pan or the dish strainer in the dish dryer. Also, I have been learning from a friend how to do eco bricking, so I've been cutting up my non-recyclable sort of like papers, such as like your plastic bags that your chips comes in, like any reuse or Ziploc bags, like receipts, and also like your string cheese stuff, just stuff that isn't recyclable but that you can like shove in a bottle and then continue to stamp it down, and it'll get really hard, but it is pretty time consuming. I think it is very therapeutic for me cutting up the little pieces and then putting it into the bottle. I think is very therapeutic for me. So this is my first bottle that I am going to have filled, and it took me 2 weeks to fill it, which is very surprising. It's a lot more trash than I thought.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me.
There you are. I finished stuffing all of the extra plastic into the bottle, and now I'm just going to put all of my tools underneath the sink for when I have more plastic. Sorry, it was my cat hopping down. More plastic to put in it later. I think this is a very cool idea, and I can't wait to see how many of these things that I get collected with all of the plastic that is not recyclable that I have around my house. Time to clean the coffee bar. One of my favorite parts in the kitchen. It is decorated how I very much enjoy it for the Halloween. Quite a few things to finish taking down to put away for Halloween, and my friends always comment how I don't have enough hydro jugs, which I think is hysterical. But this is just me wiping down, picking up all the dust and dust bunnies from around the top and around the middle shelf of this coffee bar. It used to be an entertainment center that I had in my bedroom growing up at my grandparents' house that my grandpa got for me, and it used to fit my old tube TV, but then I had to take out the middle dividing shelf in order for it to fit my 47-inch TV that I had gotten a little bit later on. So that is why the top shelf, as you can see, is sagging quite a bit. Try not to keep too much glass on there in case it breaks. Ta-da! Just like that, the coffee bar is clean again and it looks not as crowded as what it did look like before. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean my coffee bar, and time to move on to cleaning the little breakfast area that was pretty dirty to begin with. My tomato plant, completely dead. Had to throw that out. Move it someplace different, that's for sure. There's no coming back for that one, unfortunately. But my pepper plants that I've been growing have been growing really well, so I'm very excited about that. Thank you so much everyone who has been watching, and if you have any cleaning tips for me, be sure to leave them down below. I really enjoy anyone who has made it this far in the video watching me clean my humble little home. Thank you so much. Make good choices out there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.